gorgeous Eunice's kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make rice ball. So, let's get started. This is my rice. Africans, do you remember this? Calabash. We normally use it in Sierra Leone to make rice ball. I have 3 cups of rice. I'm going to wash it. After washing it like this, you're going to put some water in it and let it sit for like 1 hour so that the rice can be soaked well. Hey guys, it's been an hour now. Okay, we're going to strain out the water. Pour it in a sieve for the excess water and leave it to drain out. Let me say for like 15 minutes. We're going to blend our rice to become flour. Okay? Did you see all the excess water that came out of it? You have to have a lot of patience because in Africa we use mortar to pound the rice. That one is very, very easy. But because we are in the Western world, no mortar right now for me. That's why I'm using my blender. You see what I'm saying? In Africa, Sierra Leone, we normally have this every morning before going to school. Guys, did you see? Nice and fine. Did you see the chaff? It's like sand. So you don't have to waste this sand. Okay? You need to just pour it back into your blender. Okay, it's too much. Make this a little bit so that it will be fast. And blend it. In a virtuous woman kitchen, nothing can be wasted. Jesus. Some people use this to make fufu. Yes. If you try to make fufu, it's so good. Okay, guys, friends and family, it's time to make my ball. This is my water. Always make sure you have some dry flour, okay? has begun to form balls. This is one of my husband's favorites. Jehovah, you are so good. Jehovah, you are so kind. Good food takes energy. Okay, I'm going to continue this process until all form balls. Okay. Okay, this is the end product of my rice ball. I decided to make this rice ball because of one of my best friends who told me to make some rice balls. I want to appreciate her life for God. I also want to take this opportunity to thank some families and some friends that always see my videos and corrects me because I'm here to learn more. Like one of the person I want to thank in this video is my sister mother-in-law who called me and said, do this in your video. And my sister too, she's my queen. And also my mom, my sweet mother. I also want to thank Mrs. Goody, who also called me and told me how to do this and make that. I appreciate these women so much. And may God bless you guys for correcting me. And I also want to thank my hubby, my cameraman, my computer man. Bless you. Thanks for watching. May God bless you. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Oh, let me say something. You have to put this under the sun. If you have dehydrator, you can put it inside your dehydrator and it will get dried fast. But for me, I'm going to put it in my warm oven. Bye.